Coleen Rooney looked fresh-faced as she hit the gym in Cheshire ahead of the release of husband Wayne's highly anticipated Amazon documentary. The 35-year-old wore a baggy jumper, black gilet and matching leggings on her way home from the fitness session. 3. Coleen Rooney hit the gym in Cheshire this morning. Credit, BackGrid. 3. The look was low-key compared to her glam premiere style earlier in the week. Credit, BackGrid. Earlier this week, Coleen looked very glamorous for the premiere of husband Wayne's searingly honest documentary. The couple put on a united front in Manchester, both dressing in smart suits. The documentary looks back at Wayne's football career as well as his personal troubles. He has admitted he thought Coleen would leave him after he was caught cheating on boozy nights out. The 36-year-old opened up in an interview with Ben Shepherd on Good Morning Britain about his marriage woes. Wayne said, "The support obviously I've had from Coleen has been immense throughout the years, and there's times where you think, do I deserve that support?" He continued, "The difficult part of it is that everyone else judging, not me, of course, and that brings a lot of pressure, but judging Coleen for the decisions she makes. Does she stay with me? Does she leave me? I know that was difficult for her, and that's not nice from me for putting her in those positions." In a trailer for the documentary, Coleen says, "I knew that groups that Wayne was hanging round with weren't good for him, lovely people, but together with alcohol not good. It's not a good thing for Wayne to be unsupervised." 3. Wayne and Coleen opened the doors of their family home to cameras for a searingly honest documentary. Credit, Splash.